Well, hello and welcome to yet another episode of the Tudor Hot Rod build. I've actually cleaned out the garage a bit yesterday, actually. Not here, but over here. Woo-woo! I have a bench, well, just a skeleton of a bench, and I'm going to put a 20mm thick steel plate over it, so it will be stable as yeah, I'm going to build a spreader bar for the Ford today. Let's see how that goes.
Oh yeah, baby, come on.
So yeah, I'm going to put in a spreader bar between the frame rails over here, and I'm going to put my license plate over here. Let's find some tubing. This one was like 45mm, and that is too big. It will look well too thick to have. So 35mm pipe will be just perfect. Here's this one. 62 point. I'll make it 625 millimeters, and I think that will fit pretty good. Weld. I just made a welding table out of nothing. I will weld this not in the middle but to the side, because the hole in the frame rails are not in the middle of the pipe. So, hey ho, let's go. I will hope this will ground. I will just fart 2 welds to the sides. Hope it will stick. Well, I actually grounded off some weld just to make it fit inside the pipe here. So as you can see, it's a bit eccentric, like me. I will just weld this in, and I will get to work on the other end after I know this fits. So looks darn ugly. But wait a second, I can do magic. Not the best light in here to film.
Fenders were totally smashed in like this, like somebody tried to drive through a doorway that was too small. And I just like poured a power to back down and just roughed it out.
Hi, I'm watching Iron Trap Garage while having a coffee break.
Parts, I've run around and get like pick up parts in it.
If you haven't checked out, come in.
My nephews like to ring it.
Yeah.
If you haven't checked out Iron Trap Garage,
I have my
you have to.
nephews when they come over too.
Guy building really cool stuff.
It's like an attraction for kids. They jump in and move the wheel and ring the bell. But yeah, it's just a neat old truck. Well, again, one of the things we're trying to do is get the shop like more organized, because this thing's been sitting outside in the weather for part of it for this summer, and it really kills me that it gets sitting out here in the rain.
Well, yeah. This is how it looks. I will paint it all black and mount it, and let's see how it turns out. Well, those are pretty cool headlights, so, but I really want a blinker. So I'm going to put an orange lamp in those, so people know where I'm going. Can be pretty good. Well, those look a bit better than the original lamps, I think. Now it looks like someone cares about the car. Yoo-hoo! That's well, this is a bonus in this video about the spreader bar. I kind of make headlights too. Whoopsie. So here it is. Let's make magic happen. Oh yeah. So the eccentric bolts should fit if my calculations. Yeah. Lucky bastard, it fits. This is starting to look a bit different. The car, I mean. Headlights, spreader bar, moving stuff around. That's good. If I happen to scratch the paint, no problem. I'm hoping this will rust quick so it matches the rest of the car. So I'm not crying if I scratch it. No danger on the roof if I scratch it. So yeah. Try to make them as round as possible. Yeah, this will be okay, I hope. Yeah, good. Sorry. Yeah, why not?
Great balls of fire.
That's it for this episode. Hope you liked it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it 2 thumbs down. See you on the next one. Bye! So I don't know if you can see it, but the headlights is not really centered. It's tighter here compared to here. But don't tell anyone. No one will ever see. except well, mic and yeah,